Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About this one, we have s to the power of 1 over 2. Next, this one multiplied by number 1 and s square in here. So this one we have 5 over 2, and now we have the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n ds, we have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. So this one we have 3 over 2. This one we have 3 over 2. This one we have 7 over 2. That is the end. Thank you for watching.